In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services on Squarespace. Full tutorial 2025. Open your browser and head to the Squarespace homepage. From there, click Get Started. This launches the guided setup that quickly builds a foundation for a service's website, so you can focus on your content and offers rather than starting from a blank canvas. When you're asked to choose a direction, pick the marketing category. These templates prioritize clear messaging, strong calls to action, and simple navigation, which are ideal for consultants, freelancers, and agencies. Select the highlighted template options you see on screen, then click Next to move forward with the recommended layout and structure. Choose Build a Website. Even though you're selling services, this option gives you full design flexibility while still allowing you to add commerce and booking tools later. When a prompt appears, type in the requested information, typically a short business name or description, so your site can generate tailored starter content. Select the professional tone when prompted. This sets typography and spacing suitable for client-facing service brands, helping your site look credible right away. Click Next to confirm. In the following screens, choose the highlighted options that prioritize service details, contact methods, and trust elements. When you see Footer section, click it to include a global area for your contact info, social links, policies, or a brief pitch. Confirm any remaining highlighted choices and click Next. Add the core pages that matter. Click Homepage to create your main landing space. Then click Shop to include a place where you can present your services as purchasable items or packages. This page is versatile. You can use it for fixed price offerings, deposits, or even gift cards, and later connect scheduling if you take appointments. Click Next to continue. When you reach Style Selections, choose the highlighted option, then click Next. For headings, pick a clear, legible style that makes your key value statements stand out. This is where clients decide if they're in the right place. Click Finish to let Squarespace generate your starter site. Finally, click Edit Site to enter the editor. Here's where you tailor everything. Rewrite the headings to clearly state what you do, replace images with your own, and update buttons to drive inquiries or purchases. On the shop page, rename products as services, add descriptions and pricing, and upload relevant images or icons. Keep your footer concise with contact details and links to policies. Publish when you're satisfied, and you'll have a professional services site ready to share and sell.